Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Premiere Pro automatic transcripts to edit faster step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Navigate to the window menu at the top of the screen. Select text from the drop-down options. In the text panel, click on the Transcript tab. Look for the Create Transcript button and click on it. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to adjust settings. Choose the language of your audio from the drop-down menu. Select any additional options, such as auto-generate captions if needed. Click on the Create button to start the transcription process. Wait for Premiere Pro to analyze your audio and generate the transcript. Once the process is complete, you will see the transcript in the text panel. Review the transcript for any errors or inaccuracies. Make edits directly within the text panel if necessary. To use the transcript for captions, navigate to the Captions tab. Click on Generate Captions to create caption files. Adjust the caption settings as needed, such as style and duration. After finalizing your captions, you can position them in your timeline. Export your project with the captions included by going to the Export settings. Now you can edit faster and create accurate transcripts and captions for your videos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.